it's your girl Fluffy. I am here to share with you today some great bargain finds that I got. Woohoo! Your girl was so happy. She was practically doing a jig in the aisle. Yes, she was. She was on shake your groove thing, shake it. Okay, enough of that right now. Okay, let me share what I came across. If you in your area have a local grocery store called Winco. Winco sells Wet n Wild products. And if I go to my Winco all the time, so my Winco always sells Wet n Wild products, and they always have sales on them. Well, woo! They had a sale today, and your girl went a little Wet n Wild crazy. Yes, she did, people. Yes, she did. Okay, let me show you what I got. I got me the Wet n Wild blushes for $1.63. Okay, did you hear me right? Did you hear me? $1.63. As you know, these items usually go for what? $2.99 at our local CVS's, Walgreens, Rite Aid, you know, all those places. They sell these for $2.99. Got mine for $1.63. Yes. So not only did I get it in Mellow Wine, but I also got it in Heather Silk, and then I got me the Goddess Bronzer. Yes, I did. Now, as you all know, we also all love the Wet n Wild Mega Last Lip Colors. And how much do they cost? $1.99. Oh, yes, they do. Not bad. Don't get me wrong. Wet n Wild products are absolutely a bargain at their regular price. But if you can get them lower than their regular price, you know you want to stock up. So you know your girl is gonna. I found my one of my favorite colors. They had the whole line, but this happens to be one of my most favorite colors, so I kind of stocked up on it. It is the Raven Raisin. I love this color. Yes, it may look a little on the brown side, but when I put it on, it is luscious purple. Mwah. Love it, love it, love it. So I not only got one, but I got two, and they were only $1.19 each. Yes, yes, yes. So you know your girl couldn't pass up those deals. How could you? They were all under what? $1.60 or this is $1.63. Hello, $1.19. How could you pass it up? Like really? How could you? You have to be an idiot if you passed it up. Okay, now speaking of bargains, I have how you say, some good news for all of you ladies who love bargains. Yes, yes, yes. Your girl, Fluffy, just opened up a group on Facebook. Yes, I did. And you know why? This is why. I am part of groups that are on Facebook that are basically makeup groups where you can swap, trade, purchase used items or new swatched, makeup. And overall, I was happy and content to purchase those items. But recently, I had been annoyed with people charging me $13 for a lipstick that's from MAC. And honestly, I might as well go buy it new, because isn't it like 15 bucks new? Anywho, I got tired of that. Therefore, I left those groups. I haven't really looked at them anymore, nor have I really been involved with them anymore. But I, myself, decided to open my own group. My group is called Bargain Addicts. Why? Because I like a good deal. Now, if you want to swap, trade, or sell your items on my group, please feel free to join. I want you to come to my group to experience a bargain. Okay, it is all items under $20. If you're to sell an item, it has to be under $20 because that's the bargain to me. I don't like spending a lot of money, and I know a lot of people who are on budgets. I like high-end makeup to the next person, but I love a bargain. So my thing is, ladies, I want you to be able to enjoy those things and those items at a bargain. So please go to my group and you know what you got to do. All right? Bargain Addicts. I'm going to post a link down below in the description box for you all to come and join. Again, all items are going to be under $20, and I hope to see you all there. Peace out and much love to you from your girl Fluffy and from my group, Bargain Addicts. Mwah! Don't forget, check out the link down below.